How to make a Flipbook in Canva for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how you can start building your Flipbook in Canva. So let's get into it. Now, building your Flipbook does not need to be complicated, and with a tool like Canva, that is such a multi-purpose tool. You can really fulfill any need that you have, may it be visual, audio, or any other kind of flipbook you might want to create. So you can make this a digital flipbook very easily without having to go to any third-party platforms, because Canva is really integratable and it has a bunch of different features and tools which we will be getting into. Now, to get started with building our flipbook on Canva, the first thing you're going to do is head on over to canva.com. And once you are on canva.com, you will be able to see your dashboard once you log in. And to create an account, all you do is sign up with your email address. Now, once you do that, just search for book in the search bar over here, and you can just search for book over here. And if you scroll down, you will have a bunch of different templates available. So you can just search for book covers over here as well, just to get a better idea, or you can just search for book template like so, like this. So you guys can see you have ebook template, you have book templates, and you will see there are multiple different pages, multiple different lengths as well. So if you want this to be a horizontal book, if you want to, space it in a landscape, that's totally up to you. You have a bunch of different picks that you can pick from. You can choose whichever one that you find is going to be best representative of the type of book you're creating. So this is like a simple novel template, and I'm going to click on customize this template over here. And you guys might be saying, hey, okay, this is just a book. I want to actually create a flip book. So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to convert this basic template into a flip book. So you guys can see I'm just going to insert my own images over here. So to insert your own images that you have in your own desktop, you can click on upload on the left toolbar, and then over here you can upload your own images like so, and then you can insert your own images as well. So I can insert my own image like this. I'm just going to place it within the frame like this. So now you guys can see this is just a simple frame that I have placed that was already placed in this template, but you can place your own frame so your images are cropped in that particular fashion. So let's say I want this image, but I want this to be in the form of a heart. So to do that, I can go into elements and I can search for frame, and you will see a category of frames in your frame section. So you can open this up and search for the type of frame that you want. So if I want a ripped paper effect on the background, I can create that as well. So I'm just gonna take the ripped paper element like this, and then I will insert my first image, which is going to be the black one at the background like this, and I can place it within the frame. I'm just going to increase the size of that as well to make it easier. But like this, you can place your image within the frame. So I can go into my uploads, drag and drop my image on top like this, and then I can insert my second image on the other side like this on the top. And then let's say we want to insert this one on the right side like this. And now once I've created my frame, I can, place the frame over here. It really just depends on how you want to structure it. I am going to give it a simple background of one image like this. So I'm just going to add the title, and to customize the text, you can just select the text over here. And on the top right, you have some color customization options. Then you can also click on effect on the top right and create shadows for your text as well. You can also create a background for your text, as well as insert some images or elements to make your text more visible. So if I want to make my text more visible, I'm just going to press on Command, and then I'm going to Shift Command, and then I'm going to select all three of these together. And then I can add a neon effect, and maybe I also want to add a background. And I'm not going to make the background transparent, and I'm going to give it a very small spread. And I'm also going to increase the transparency of our background like this. And I'm going to make it a black background. So like this, I've added this background element that can help you in making your text more visible. Now, once you have designed your page, you have your second page, which is going to be your content. Then you have all of your content. So over here in your content, you can add images, you can add more text, You can even duplicate pages that you want to have the same kind of format. So if you want this format in all of your pages, you can just duplicate the page to make it easier for you. So let's say that this is going to be our final page, and I'm just going to write the end over here. And in this way, we've built our book. But how can this be converted into a flipbook? Well, to do that, you're going to click on share on the top right. And once you click on share, you're going to click on more. Once you click on more, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to find this category of design. Now in your design category, you want to click on simple booklet flip. Now this is a second app that is available and that is integratable into Canva. So you're going to click on connect over here, and a pop-up will open up where you can create your account with Simple Flipbook, and you can just click on sign in with Google or Facebook, or you can even sign up with your email address to get started with Simple Booklet. And this will allow you to export your designs to this platform directly and create it into a flipbook. So now you're just going to click on export your design and click on save on the top right. And now your design is being exported to Simple Flipbook. So now what you're going to do is click on view in Simple Booklet Flip. So once you click on this particular item, you're going to open up your dashboard and you will be able to see your booklet title. So let's say it's going to be sample over here, and then click on ready. And now currently our book is now being processed. It might take a longer time if you have a lot of pages. If you don't have a lot of pages, it's not going to take that much, but you guys can see now this is a flippable booklet and it has some really nice effects. It looks super nice. You can even do it with a drag on your mouse as well. And you will be able to see on the bottom, you have page thumbnails that will help you in, navigating through pages. If you're just skimming through, then you can click on first page and you will be able to see your first page. Then on the right side, you have some other options. So you can also record a flipping through your pages just so people can see what it's like when it's being flipped through. And you can even record a audiobook or a visual audiobook where you have audio as well as visuals where people can read along as well as listen to the book. Then you can also click on design over here to further customize the design of your flipbook. So you guys can see this is our basic page and this is our basic flip, but we can actually customize this further by clicking on page flip on the top left. So once you click on page flip, you'll be able to see if you want a button, if you want a sound, if you want the shadow to be there, and then you can click on edit over here. And you have multiple different types of transitions. So you have a single page transition. Let's say I want a single page scroll. Then let's say we want maybe we want a board book cover, so we can add that. If you want a slide effect, a hardcover effect, a notepad effect, you can add that as well. So let's say I want a board book cover, so I'm going to click on done. And now this will edit the design of how the book is being flipped. So now you guys can see it looks pretty different. It's a hard book cover now. So in this way, you can create a simple Canva book design into a flippable notebook. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.